Hello, this is a quick demo of the new Onelake Catalog Iceberg support. So I built this dashboard, or rather AI built it. As you can see, like you can filter, it's electricity market dashboard. And let's not filter, rather show all the data here. As you can see here for 7 years. And you can cross filter and all this, what you expect from like dashboard. You can even run arbitrary SQL. So show all tables. So I have here like the tables, which are, as you notice here, the same. And it's Iceberg because of the metadata. So you have JSON and Avro and all this stuff. Let's go back. So let's check this table. Select count. Summary, and yeah, it's 140 million record. To be clear, I'm doing a lot of cache. Basically, I'm caching all the data, and I just call the rest catalog just to get the latest snapshot. So the idea is when you click refresh, if there is new data, it will show up. So here it's checking Onelake for new snapshot. If it found new data, then it will just import it. Yep, it found a new file. It was like super quick and it did import it. So now it's 9:10. Yeah, right. And just to show that I'm writing out like outside of Fabric, I'm using this GitHub and I build this pipeline. So here the data pipeline will process the data and write to Onelake using the Iceberg catalog. Here you can select how many files you want to process. And here literally you can just put the workspace ID and it will start writing. You can add like a new workspace ID and it will start from scratch. You put the name of the lakehouse, and in the pipeline, the way it works, it will install dependency, get the token, which I'll explain in a second, and check if the lakehouse exists. If it doesn't exist, then it will create it, and then obviously use dbt to generate the data. And the way it's connect to Onelake is we use Federation, which is awesome. So instead of putting secret, all you do is you define a service principal. Anyway, you register an app and you get the Azure client ID and the tenant ID. Unfortunately, you cannot use the workspace identity for now because you need to tell the app that this URL is, this is basically, you trust this URL. So you get this federation. And the fact that you don't store any secret, it's awesome. All you need to pass the parameter is the endpoint, which is fixed, and then the path to the lakehouse. And to avoid, you can pass like a name, but in my experience, just to avoid, especially like sometimes you don't know, like you may use the same workspace in different tenant. I found that it's more robust to use the ID. So you pass the workspace ID, then slash lakehouse ID. You can use workspace, or sorry, I meant you can use warehouse ID, but then it will be read only. And actually, I did test it. You can use anything. Actually, you can use Snowflake database inside Onelake, or like Federated catalog from Databricks or anything. As long as there is an item inside Onelake, it will work. And the token, using, as I explained, the federation, or you can connect, like here, when I write, I use the token from the federation, but for the dashboard, I'm connecting using my credential, my Azure ID. And yeah, that's it. There is nothing, because it's on by default, so you don't need to do anything. And yes, the read was available since, I think, already for a year, but the write is in private preview, and it's coming soon. So yeah, I kind of like it because it show how use Onelake as like pure lake house, and all the compute is outside. There is like it's not limitation; it's by design. The bottleneck is the network trip. So for if you want the best performance, obviously you need to basically push the compute to the data. So obviously, if you run it inside Fabric, it will be faster for simple reason. There is no network basically, and there is no egress fees, but you can run it from anywhere. All right. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for listening. Bye.